Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this colorful concentric hearts painting. We're going to use tempera paint, we're going to use pencil to draw all the hearts, and concentric means that each one of the hearts, they all have the same point for the center. So as the hearts get larger and larger, this is still the center point. Cool colors: blue, green, purple. Cool colors make you think of cool things, like ice cold water. Warm colors: red, orange, yellow. Warm colors create warm feelings, like think of fire. Yellow-orange sand on the beach on your bare feet, with the yellow sun burning down, giving you a sunburn. Think of a hot, spicy pepper. Try using a color wheel and put colors that are across from each other on the color wheel together. Those are complementary colors. When they're across from each other, it's called complementary. And if you mix these together in paint form, it should give you a neutral color, usually a gray or a brownish color. You will need a large piece of white paper. This is 12 by 18 inches, and a pencil. I will be using tempera paint cakes today. These are in a palette. These are the cakes. What you do is you add water to it and it creates the paint, like what's on my finger here. If you don't have tempera paint, you could also use watercolor paint for this project. You will need a cup of water, some paint brushes, and probably some paper towels to wipe your brushes off on. We're starting off with one whole piece of paper. When we fold that in half, it will be this size, 1/2 of the original size. We're going to fold this in half. That will give us 1/4 of the original size. That means we can fit 4 of this size paper into the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started by folding our paper. We're going to fold our paper in half. We're going to bring the left side over to the right side, folding it one time in half. This is half of the original size. We're going to fold this paper in half again from the top to the bottom edge. So fold it down one time. This is 1/4 of the original size. When we open this up, we will have 4 sections to draw our hearts in. Get your pencil, and we're going to draw hearts in each one of these rectangular sections. One easy way to draw a heart is if you make a small letter V in the center. We're going to draw the smallest heart first. Then on top of the V, we're going to make an M, like a lowercase m. Okay, that will be the smallest heart. And then you just keep repeating that step, making the hearts bigger and bigger. So make a V, it's kind of really wide. And then above that, make a lowercase m to close the shape. Now there are lots of other ways to draw hearts. I find this is an easy way to make them all look about the same. You're going to keep doing these steps until the heart goes to the edges of the rectangle. Kind of goes off the page. We're going to make it look like it just keeps expanding and expanding. You're going to repeat this step in the other 3 boxes. You can draw your hearts different ways, but I do find this is an easy way to draw for younger learners. So a V and then an M. All right, so keep doing that in all 4 boxes. I'm done drawing all of the hearts. You probably noticed that I did the 2 bottom hearts a little differently than I did the top, and that's fine. You can make your drawings of the hearts look different in each one of the sections if you want. The main thing is for them to look like they're infinitely getting smaller or infinitely like coming out of the page up at you. Now I'm ready to start painting. I have my cup of water with various brush sizes to paint with. I'm going to need a paper towel. I like to dry off my brush in between colors. All right, I'm painting with tempera cakes today. So remember, you just take your brush, you wet it in a cup of water, pick the color that you want to start with, swish it around until the water and the dried paint mix. And you can kind of see some of that color on your brush, and then you're ready to start applying it to your paper. Now I'm going to start painting all 4 sections of my picture. I'd like to try to use different color combinations in each one of the sections to create variety. I'm going to speed up the video so you can see my process, and at the end I'll stop it and we'll check out what I did. Here we go. I'm done painting my concentric hearts. I tried using different colors in each section. In some sections I used complementary colors. In this section right here I used warm colors. Down here I used only cool colors. Here I used warm colors and black and white. And in this one I tried using some complementary colors, red and green, purple and yellow, a little bit of orange and blue to make it vibrate. I hope you enjoyed making this concentric hearts painting with me today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.